All right, so now we're into blood typing problems. So with the blood type, the most correct way to do the blood typing problems is doing something like that, where you're showing, homozygous A, and this is how you would show O, because type O blood is actually a lack of any protein, A or B. But it is fine to just do the A and the O. So instead of doing this, you would just do double A. And instead of doing the double I's, you would do double O. I'm going to leave it up to you to decide. Do you want to push yourself and do it the most correct way? But it's fine if you do just the letters, especially if it's multiple choice. Again, if it's multiple choice, no one's going to pay attention to how you got the answer, just that you got the answer. I'm going to use the A's and the O's for now because it's your first time through. But as you practice more, you're going to see on the answer key it actually has the I convention. Just so you know, so you can use that as practice as well. So it says, if a woman is homozygous for type A blood and her husband is type O, what is the probability that their offspring would have any one of the 4 possible blood types? All right, so let's see. So as always, we're going to start with the parents. So if mom is homozygous type A, we're going to remember homo means the same. So that means she's big A, big A. And if dad is type O, that's the recessive. So the only way for him to be type O would be to be double O. As we've been doing, I'm going to make a Punnett square. And I'm going to do A on top and O on the bottom, and then top and side. And again, you want to keep the order the same. Technically, A or B should go first because O is the recessive. And the question's worded a little weird. It says, what is the probability of their offspring to have any of the 4 possible blood types? So the question sounds a little weird, but when you look at the Punnett square, it's pretty easy because they are all AO, which means you have 4 out of 4 or 1 out of 1 that are type A, which means they're all going to be type A blood type.